You know? Gang, this body train, all that shit there. I'm finna cut the fuck up, watch this. Hey, shout out to my boy, motherfucking gang too, nigga. Straight up, straight up.
All my diamonds hit team. Niggas say they taking these. I told them come do it.
Come get it, come get it.
I got a rich scheme. I'm doing rich things. I had a rich dream. I had to pursue it.
I had to pursue it.
I got that glitzy. All my diamonds hit team. Niggas say they taking these. I told them come do it.
Come do it, come do it.
I got a rich scheme. I'm doing rich things. I had a rich dream. I had to pursue it.
They like, that what you been on? I'ma tell you the truth, boy, I been on some shit. Niggas be talking like they on some shit. Boy, I'm really tryna own shit.
I pull up like big one, you owe me some shit. You talking about cool, don't make cool, this shit get 100%. You know I'm legit. Fuck the bullshit, I'm tryna get rich. I'm tryna buy my mama a new mansion. Outside of shit, you gon' see a fan. So mama, don't worry, I got you, don't panic. They let me in, they giving me chances. Mama, I just want you to take a real good look at your son.
Mama, just look at me, look at me.